Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Good job, Archie. In today's video, first of all, I am in rare form. I did hair and makeup because it's about to be my 30th birthday and I'm really excited. We're celebrating Virgo season over here, birthday season, birthday weeks actually, because it was Rob and Briella's birthday and now it's about to be mine in a few days. So yeah, I figured I would just get dressed up. I have on jeans. I don't know who I think I am or where I think I'm going, but anyway, in today's video, we are going to continue with all of the home updates. I feel like that's really the only thing going on in my life.
Besides the bubble machine.
Oh my gosh, why did I think that was like the drill though? Because we have our power drill over there, I got scared. So that's like the main thing going on in my life, in our lives, is like home updates. We're still unpacking. As you can tell, it's still a little bit of a mess. We're gonna be doing some projects, decorating, things are coming together. So if you're excited for another home video, home update, I mean, do I even call it home updates anymore? I don't know what we're gonna call these. Home decor, all the things home, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen that I made, well, okay, I didn't make, well, I mean, we put it together, but the cubes, we had this in the old house, but then I added legs to the bottom and I'm literally obsessed. The only thing is you can kind of tell that in the middle, it's starting to bow a little bit. Like it's starting to dip because we have way too many books. So I think we're gonna take some of the books off and put them in this one. I also made this one, you guys. I went power drill crazy. It really wasn't even all that hard to add the legs. I'll have these legs linked down below. And this cubing system here, I'll have that linked down below as well. But I literally just drilled the legs on and I really like how they turned out. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that one there. We'll see. For now, it's there, but it could get moved around. Not too sure. I was also thinking of putting it kind of under our TV. We're gonna have a TV here. So I was thinking maybe I could put it there. I don't know, we'll see. And then this one, I have no idea where I'm gonna put this. I was thinking maybe in Briella's closet for now because she doesn't have a dresser. So I thought maybe I could put it there, but we'll see. I just wanted to show you that I made this and I'm pretty proud. Okay, I also wanted to come to my Glam area and show you all that I have all of my makeup in this drawer now. Well, in both of these drawers, I have my makeup. I hear Briella, so I really gotta go. But I have my makeup in these drawers. I worked down my makeup collection to just these two drawers and I'm really proud of myself. There's like a common theme, me being proud. And also I wanted to show you this obnoxious, this is so obnoxious. This mirror, I don't care. I love this. Like, I think it's so cute and extra. So I was like, you know what? Why not? Like, why not? You know, you only live once. Get the bedazzled vanity mirror, go for it. So yeah, all my makeup is stored in here. I just have a couple palettes elsewhere and lashes, but guys, it's coming together. So far, so good. Okay, you guys, my battery is about to die, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna be able to film. And I'm gonna put this in Briella's closet. Hopefully it fits. I think it should, but right now, we just have like a bunch of just like junk stuff. So I'm gonna clear this out and move this in and then organize it, and I think it'll be pretty cute. Because for right now, Briella doesn't have a dresser. We ordered her dresser, it's gonna be coming in the mail, but we don't have it yet. So I just need storage because right now it's literally, here, let me show you. It's literally just like these packing bags that we had from Amazon. I can't even speak. So yeah, that's where all of her stuff is. And I just feel like that's not right. Like, we can do better. So I'm gonna set this up and fingers crossed it fits and it looks cute. And my battery doesn't die, hopefully for that. Okay, another thing I wanted to ask you guys, let me know in the comments if you have a playroom for your kids. Do you also keep toys in their room? or do you only have your toys in the playroom? Because we just have currently, I mean, right now we have everything all over the place, but I'm thinking like in the future, like I probably want to keep like some toys in here for her and in Argie's room, but I don't know. I'm like, but we have a playroom. Like I don't want toys to be spread everywhere and they're never really in their room. Anyway, let's go.
Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Honey, it's way past time. How expensive do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you mine. I'll show you mine. Oh, I'm standing right here holding up a sign, shamelessly displaying my state of mind. But you walk right past me, pretending like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Ooh, show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Can't you see it's way past time? How expensive do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you mine. I've been calling my shots down the middle, but I feel I'm scoring too little. So this time I'm gonna try new play. Come at it from a whole nother angle. One doesn't read fuss and hair, so
Hi guys, good morning. It's actually the next day. I'm here with Briella. The boys went to go get us some donuts and some Starbucks, so we're gonna have a really good breakfast. It's kind of, okay, so we're celebrating my birthday this weekend. My birthday isn't until Tuesday, September 8th, but we are celebrating all weekend long, basically. If you follow me on Instagram, you know we went on live and we were turning up on live. It was a lot of fun. So yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen that, obviously. But we had a really good time, and now I'm here with Miss Bree. Briella, are you eating Cheerios? Are you loving your Cheerios? Say yes. Say we celebrated your birthday a couple days ago. So her and Rob have the same birthday. We celebrated them both on September 2nd, and yeah, we just had a really good time. The balloons are still going strong. They told us at Party City that they would only last 8 to 10 hours, but I mean, they've lasted like 3 days at this point, so that's good. But anyway, so we're doing a lot of like home stuff, like unpacking. The kitchen looks pretty good. I mean, it's like, we got a couple things out, but as far as like boxes and things like that, you guys, like we're pretty much, ma'am, we pretty much unpacked the kitchen, which is awesome. So things are put away. I mean, obviously like we live here, so things are out, but you know what I mean, like boxes. The boxes that were over here are gone. We still have our pack and play there. We're gonna probably put that in the garage, I guess. I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah, Nala's got her little like play area over here. But like, I definitely underestimated how much time it takes to unpack. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna have fall content up. If I'm good, I want to do falling for fall, but I don't know, like to do fall decor now when it's like we have boxes everywhere. Like I'm not about to put a pumpkin on top of a U-Haul box, y'all. So we still need to like get stuff together. We'll worry about fall later. I definitely want to do something for Christmas. I don't know about fall. So anyway, I'm excited for the donuts. You excited for donuts, Bree? Say, come on, where are they? I want my donuts. You guys, can you guess where we are? I don't know if you'll be able to recognize this room without any of the boxes, but this is where we kept our stuff for the past 6 months. It is completely clear, well, not completely cleared out. Like there's still like a little bit of stuff, but you guys, I told you there was a couch. I told you. I just cannot, I can't believe this. Like, this is the room where all of our stuff was. And now look, can literally, well, almost fell. Can literally walk in here, turn around, like, this is crazy. Crazy! You guys, so it's actually a couple days later and I wanted to give you a little playroom tour, I guess. It's not anywhere near what I want it to be, but I actually have a question for you guys. Okay, so obviously you walk in, we started homeschooling, so that's kind of like the homeschooling area. We have the cubes, which we bought a little like a wooden leg. Basically, we got another one to screw into the middle so that it won't dip anymore. And we also took off some books. I have their kitchen on the side. And then we have the tent. This tent was in RG's bedroom back at our old house, and I don't know how I feel. You all let me know. We tried to rearrange this so many different ways, so I don't know. I don't know. I guess on camera it looks kind of cool. So I'm gonna set you all up. I'm gonna turn it a couple different ways and you let me know what you think. Okay, here's another option. Option number 2, thoughts? Okay, what do we think about option number 2? Let's see it in the room. So basically when you walk in, it's just to the side like this. Is that weird? Or do you like it like that? Do you like it like that? I don't know. Okay, so here's another way. Is if we turn it like this and we do it like that. Honestly, I don't even like this. Well, okay, that's not true. I like it. I don't know. Do you like that better? Should I put it in the middle? Let's try it in the middle. Let's put it, okay, I don't like that. I definitely feel like it needs to be anchored on this side, because on this side of the room, we are going to have our TV and then a couch. So it's not going to fit on this side because of that. So what we need to do is we need to have it on this side. Like, it has to be over here. And I just feel like it balances to have the tent on this side. So I think I'm gonna keep it diagonal, but you let me know if you can think of like another creative way where I could put this big, huge tent. Let me know in the comments, because your girl is struggling, okay? Okay, moving on to Briella's room. You guys, her room is like the only room that's like pretty much done. So we have all of this set up here. Obviously we have to roll out the rug, but I want to clean the floors first before I put the rug out. And this is what her closet is looking like. So I absolutely love it. I think we did a really good job. I'm really proud of it. We have the cube storage system in here with books. In here right now are like clothes, bows, hats, socks, and pajamas are in that one with like extra DITL covers. So yeah, you guys, extra diapering stuff. I really like this. When we get her dresser, it's going to go right here. We got a really pretty mirror that's going to go above the dresser, a cute little lamp. Like, it's just going to be adorable. So this will all, you know, get moved. And then the chair, RG spilled juice on it. So I need to clean that out. Sorry, that's disgusting. I should have flipped that over for this video, but it is what it is. We have mirrors back here that I'm not too sure what we're going to do with yet. These were in Briella's old room. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I just have a basket over here with like blankets and like random stuff that I honestly want to put in there, but I just have to wait until her dresser comes so that I can organize that and free up some space and then move that over here. And then she'll have a little bit more breathing room in the closet. But you guys, look at her little, I have to show you this coat. This coat, how cute is this coat? Hold on, let me really show you and do it right. You guys, this coat, I bought this last December when I just had Briella. Well, I had her, she was like 3 or 4 months old. And I was like, I have to get this and save it for next year. It was on sale. It's so beautiful. I got this at Dillard's. Like, the quality just feels so nice. And I just want to get an Instagram picture of her in it and just, I don't know, have like a little winter wonderland moment with like little like patent leather shoes and like white tights. I don't know, this is just gonna be a vibe and I think it's so cute. Okay, you guys, and now we are in RG's closet. It looks really good. It's the same cube system. I swear by these. It just organizes any space and it looks nice. I was thinking about putting legs on this one as well. So let me know what you think. Should I put, I was thinking metal legs on this one instead of wooden ones. We could do like little like short silver metal legs. I thought that could look really, really nice and kind of like chic. So let me know. All of these bins are from Target, and then we have his books. So many updates. We still have Briella's balloons, never mind that. But I wanted to show you the gates. So these are pet gates. They're from CB2. I will link them down below. These are not gates for babies. They're not baby gates. They're just pet gates because this is not functional for babies, because you would have to, basically, you have to twist this every single time. So I wouldn't put this in like a high traffic area because you're gonna have to continuously untwist it, walk through, or twist it, or you're just gonna have to be stepping over every single time. This is not a very, I mean, it's kind of a high traffic area when we go outside, but on a regular basis, he has no idea I'm filming either. Where did he go? I cannot with him. Okay, so really raw. He missed, I'm done. He missed hard, I can't. Okay, I guess while we're back here, I'll show you, we got a fence. Our fence, bye Rob. Our fence is installed. It looks really, really nice. So yeah, this is our backyard, basically. Okay, so back to the gates. These are what the gates look like. They look really, really nice. I got a lot of compliments on them when I posted them on Instagram. And yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. I feel like it's not just like some ugly, bulky gate. It looks really nice with the space. It looks chic. And Nala has basically this whole room to herself during the day. She lounges, she relaxes. And then she can go outside and chill and hang out, and we play with her. And I mean, she's just living the life of luxury.
Nala has she has it way too good.
Yeah, for real.